All right, getting right to the point. If you guys are a shareholder in Nio Stock, you're definitely feeling the pain today. It's down 7% on the day. Last month, it's down 22% from its high a little while ago. It's down, let's see, 43%. However, if we look at the actual charts here intraday, it's down a lot more than that. We're down around almost 50% from its highs. Now, you may be double guessing your investment. You may be questioning whether this is still a good long-term investment. We just made a video on Nio yesterday. We looked at the technicals. Things are still looking like a double bottom here. It's still holding around this level of support for a double bottom, possible bounce higher. However, you're probably wondering what is driving this sort of selling today. This is unusual, 7% down on a single day when the NASDAQ, it's up slightly. It's up about 0.5%. The S&P, this one is up around 0.61%. Even the Dow, guys, is up around, let's see here, 0.48% today. So there's definitely, the market's doing okay. Nio is hurting, but Nio's not the only one. Tesla is also down 3.36%. Just took a nosedive here after around 11 a.m. And some of the other peers in China, Li Auto, this one, it's holding its ground. It's up around 1.15%. Xpeng is also up around 0.61%. So this seems to be a Nio and Tesla specific issue. So what's really going on? In this video, we're going to discuss specifically what's going on with Nio. Well, looking at their website, they actually had a news release earlier this morning, and this is the exact reason why we're seeing such massive sell-off. Nio announces temporary suspension of production for 5 working days. So they've pretty much gone ahead and they said they're announcing suspension, and this is going to affect their production, of course. And this is going to be starting from March 29th due to semiconductor shortage. The overall supply constraint of semiconductors impacted the company's production volume in March. The company expects to deliver approximately 19,500 vehicles in the first quarter versus what they initially thought would be around 20,000 to 20,500 vehicles. So essentially what we're seeing is Nio has to revise. They have to lower their guidance here. And it's kind of unfortunate because these are kind of external factors that are driving this. It's not really because Nio isn't competent, Nio isn't delivering, or demand isn't there. In fact, it's the complete opposite. There's a lot of demand and there isn't enough supply, specifically with semiconductors. This seems to be something that's affecting the whole industry. Tesla is also being affected by this. And that's why we're seeing those two stocks, the ones that have huge demand, be hit massively. Now, valuations for both those companies have been stretched for a while. Investors priced in a lot of growth. And to be honest, if this thing never came up, we probably would have continued chugging higher. We probably would have been delivering on this growth. But now, because of this, we have to revise our guidance. We have to revise our targets. And that's going to affect short-term pricing like we're seeing today. Over the long term, do I think the semiconductor shortage is going to be an issue? No, I don't think so. I think Nio is going to do fine. It's probably going to bounce back, probably make new all-time highs within the next couple of years. And the semiconductor shortage will probably just be a buying opportunity in hindsight. Similarly with Tesla, I believe this is also probably going to be a buying opportunity in hindsight, because if investors are so short-sighted and they're selling because of something as silly as semiconductor shortage, which isn't because of the business itself, it isn't because of Nio, it isn't because of Tesla, then I think that's kind of a no-brainer time to buy the dip. Now the question is, do the valuations make sense? Is it actually a good buy today? That's a separate issue. But if you're just looking at this from a high level, you're wondering why Nio is down. Now you know the answer. And if you're still, convinced that this is going to be a massive company in the future, this is just a blip in the radar. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Drop a like if you did and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. But either way, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.